What's going on, everyone? Trevor Hansen, Team Supra Ambassador. Today I am going to walk you through the 2026 Supra SE. Let's check this thing out.
Freight car steaming down the line to Birmingham. My guitar.
The Supra SE comes in at 24 feet 5 inches, has a standard ballast of 4,700 pounds, has a seating capacity of up to 18 people, and comes with a ton of standard features that are incredible, including the auto wake and swell surf system. As the largest boat in the 2026 lineup, the Supra SE is built to deliver unmatched performance and incredible luxury in a platform that has tons of room and space for everybody in your crew. Sitting at the helm of the SE, you'll notice the Vision Control Center that's been upgraded with 15-inch and 12-inch screens, multi-functioning and high resolution. These things give you all the information and access to all your controls. Standard on the SE are the all-new power wings. These switches make it super easy to reach all your major controls as you're sitting here at the helm. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to access everything. It gives you really good feedback when you touch the buttons, instant controls and displays that show you exactly what you're changing. They're super nice feature. Supra has one of the best driver seats in the entire industry. It comes standard as a powered driver seat with a built-in heater. You can go up or down, back and forth, be able to get yourself positioned exactly where you want it to, and then you can also option upgrade for a cool driver seat. Standard on all Supra models is the DSD audio system. It includes speakers built into the side of the tower, 2 subwoofers that are underneath the driver's seat and the OB area, tower speakers, speakers built into the dash, speakers throughout the boat. This thing is absolutely loaded with speakers and it gives you a full concert sound no matter where you're sitting in the boat. Another standard feature on the SE is the VA2 tower speaker. The VA2 is a custom tower speaker that comes with an 8.8-inch driver, tweeter, and 2 2.5 mid-range speakers that deliver incredible immersive sound that's super crystal clear and high quality. If you really want to upgrade your sound, you can upgrade to the VA4, which delivers an even more immersive sound experience. The power folding tower comes standard on all Supra models. It comes with board racks, bimini, tower speakers, surf tow points that are integrated seamlessly into the side of the tower. The bimini has standard surf option for storage right up on top. Folds down seamlessly right here, touch of a button, fold the tower down. This thing is unbelievable. Another available upgrade in an industry first is the Power Bimini. With the simple touch of a button from here on the tower or at the Vision Control Center, you can deploy or retract the Bimini and it's super easy to use. The first thing that you'll notice when you step into the interior of a Supra is the high level and attention to detail. All the way from the high craftsmanship of the stitching to the vinyl. Having this chill tech to where you can go with the darker colorways, it stays cool to the touch all day. Combine that with the gator step, having non-skid traction all up on the gunnels and in the flooring. It makes it super easy to clean. You can color this exactly the way that you want and customize it to your liking. Having all of the ballast subfloor allows for us to optimize our storage. So when you lift up the seats that are on hinges, you've got a seamless storage that goes all the way through from the bow all the way to the stern. Being the largest boat in the lineup, the SE delivers on pretty much all fronts. I've had the SE down at my wakeboard camp for years down in Florida. It's an amazing platform to have all the space for all of the riders that we take out on the boat, all the storage, all the different boards. It's got just absolutely everything that you would want to have in it. The wake and the wave setup is unbelievable for a bigger boat. Being able to have the customization with all the subfloor ballast, the swell surf system, and the auto wake all combined gives you a ton of adjustability. You're gonna absolutely love the SE. I highly recommend that you check it out. If you wanna know more about the SE, head over to supraboats.com or head down to your local dealer. They would love to take you out and share with you the Supra boat experience.